Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust audio volume in InShot step by step. Whether you want to increase background music, reduce original video sound or balance voiceovers perfectly, InShot provides precise volume controls to help you create professional quality videos directly from your smartphone. And let's get started. First, you need to open the InShot app on your device. Over here on the dashboard you'll find this video, photo or the collage. What you can do is tap on the video, and from the home screen you can select to an existing project, or you can also create a new one by importing a video clip. And once your video loads into the timeline editor, you're ready to adjust the audio. Here what you can do is select to this volume, and you can simply slide to this bar. In order to increase, you can slide it to the right side, or if you want to decrease, you can simply slide to the left side. And you can set it to 0 to mute completely. Keep it around 50 to 70 if adding background music, and increase up to 150 to 200 if the original sound is too low. And after that you can tap on the check mark to apply the changes. And that is it. Adjusting audio volume in InShot is simple but extremely important for creating polished and professional content. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.